Alright, here's a walkthrough of the Silph Co puzzle. All we have to do is first enter the elevator and then use the buttons here to go to the 5th floor. As you can see, we are going to the 5th floor. Once you go to the 5th floor, you wanna go down. Just follow my steps here. You will go down, you might need to fight this grunt, and you just wanna go into the portal, then walk left and exit the portal again. Why we're doing this is because there's a key card right here to the right. As you can see, we are taking it, or card key, sorry. Then you just want to go back again. You will go into the portal and then you want to hop back out, and we will hop into the upper portal this time. This is going to take us to the 3rd floor. Go into the 3rd floor, and here I'm just gonna speed it up. You will need to fight this grunt. You will open up the door here to the left and you want to jump in this one. Jump into this portal. You will have to face your rival Gary, and once you beat him, the person next to him to the left is gonna give you Lapras, so you can get Lapras there. Just talk to him. Afterwards, all you have to do is hop into one more portal, and after you fight this grunt, you can open up the door, and it's going to make you or let you face Giovanni. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.